Hi folks, Mattress Mike here with ComfortMade Mattress Factory. Hey, just wanted to do a real quick video here just to kind of educate a little bit. We had a trade show this past weekend down at the Mid-America Center in Council Bluffs. Had a lot of our RV and camper beds on display, had a real good turnout. We also had down there a few of our mattress protectors. We had about a half a dozen of our varieties of our pillows as well. So a couple of our pillows are made with memory foam. And when I was bringing these in this morning, now keep this in mind, we've had all the stuff just stored in my truck overnight until we brought it back here to the store, getting a little bit of the stuff unloaded, and I noticed something with our memory foam pillows that I think is important in the shopping process. As you all know, a lot of the beds out there are made with memory foam today. It's a fairly inexpensive way of providing a quote-unquote comfort layer in a bed. So a lot of the product in the mass-produced beds use that for that reason. Obviously, your Tempur-Pedics are pretty much all memory foam. Almost all of your bed-in-the-box, your online beds are going to be either completely memory foam, or the bulk of it, the top comfort layers, as they call them, are going to be memory foam as well. So something to keep in mind that people may not realize is that when memory foam changes temperature, it changes the feel of that product. So when it becomes colder, it becomes firmer. When it becomes hotter or warmer, it becomes softer. So I want to show you a pillow that I have. It's called our Nimbus pillow. It's a pretty unique pillow because it's an adjustable pillow. So you can actually change the layers, go from about a 7.5-inch profile pillow to about a 4.5-inch profile by removing one of the two memory foam layers in there. So I brought this in, and I'm going to turn the phone around here real quick to show you the pillow. And I've also got our Quest pillow, which is our #1 selling pillow. It's a fiber-fill pillow. It's the least expensive pillow that we have. A great pillow, by the way. It's the one that I use. But the Nimbus pillow has 2 layers of memory foam in it, so I want to show you the difference between the two. So I'm going to turn the phone here real quick and show you. So the first pillow I'm going to show you is our Nimbus. Again, it's 2 layers of memory foam on there. And what I noticed, if you hear that knocking, that is the memory foam. It is rock solid. Now, I've had this inside the truck, so granted, this is a little bit of an extreme case because it's what, 5 degrees outside right now? So it's very, very cold, but my goodness, it's like a board. I mean, I am knocking on this. I'm putting all the pressure I possibly can on this pillow just to try to get an impression in it. I'm going to go right over here to our Quest pillow. Again, a fiber-filled pillow. Came out of the truck at the exact same time, went through the exact same temperature last night, but soft like it's supposed to be. Soft and supportive, no change to the feel of that pillow. So again, a drawback to my pillow, I'm shouting out right now and just telling you, this is a drawback of having a pillow with memory foam. But when you think about this, imagine having this as your entire bed that you're laying on. So instead of having a product that felt the same way as it did on the show floor when you bought that bed, now you've got a product that is different, it's harder, it's firmer, it's softer based off of how the temperature is in your home. So those late summer nights when you don't want to turn on the air conditioner yet and the windows are open and it's a little bit more humid, it's going to be a softer feel. In the winter months, when maybe you're trying to save on those energy bills, and maybe you drop that feel down, or that temperature in your home down to maybe 68, 66, I don't know, it's going to be different than it feels at 72 or 74. So keep that in mind when you're doing your shopping. Again, at ComfortMade Mattress Factory, I don't use any memory foam. There's too many drawbacks to it. It retains heat like crazy when it changes the feel based off of the temperature of the room. It's a slow release product, so you're always feeling like you're fighting that bed. Instead, what I use for my comfort layers is I use a hybrid cooling foam, and I use latex, 100% natural latex. The latex contours your body, provides that same pressure point relief that you're looking for in the memory foam, but it's a quick release, you're not fighting it, and it feels the same regardless of the temperature of your room. So keep that in mind. If you have any questions on this, you need some more information, please give me a shout. Here at ComfortMade Mattress Factory, we look to educate our customers. We're not We're not selling on commission. We're not trying to push one bed over the other. We don't carry 16 different manufacturers' brands and hope that, I'm going to sell you the one that has the best commission on it. We really are looking for what's the best way that we can help you sleep better and improve your life through your sleep. So any questions, give me a call. You can reach us at info@comfortmadebeds.com or via phone at 531-500-5030. Again, thanks for listening. Any questions, just let us know. Take care.